Well, in this video, I will correct the different problems related to probability that you have. Okay, so let's start with this first problem. Okay, so read carefully and pay attention. So we can use a tree diagram to solve the problem. Let's see how to make this tree diagram. Let's start. So Ruben is going to play one badminton match or one tennis match. So the first event is the match, okay? Is the match that he's going to play. So let's divide into branches. At the end of the branch, we put badminton. And at the end of the second branch, we put tennis. We don't read any probability of playing any match. So if we don't have here the probabilities, we suppose that it's 0.5 and 0.5. So he has equal probability of playing any match. Okay. So if he now we are here, if he plays badminton, the probability that he will win is 9/10. So if he's playing badminton, he has a probability of winning of 9/10. So no win is 1 minus 9/10. So this is 1/10. 1/10. If he plays tennis, the probability of winning is 2/5. So no winning is 3/5. So work out the probability that Ruben will win both matches. To find the probability, we have to see the events where Ruben wins. So we have here and we have also here. Okay, so let's calculate these probabilities. 0.5, we start here multiplying times 9/10. And here, down here, we have 0.5 times 2/5. So to find the probability that he wins, we have to do 0.5 times 9/10 plus 0.5 times 2/5. And it will be 0.65. This is the probability that he will win both matches. Okay. Next problem. So let me clear all this. Okay. So I'm going to look for the second problem. This one. Copy here. Okay. Let's move on. Well, again, read carefully the problem. I'm going to make again another tree diagram to represent the different options or possibilities that we have. Okay. So Lucia is going to take 2 marbles. Okay, so we have 2 marbles that Lucia is going to take. There is no replacement. Okay, so this is also important. So let's make the tree diagram. We're going to start with the first event, the first marble. Second event, second marble, okay? First one, we have two options, red or green. The probabilities are 5 over the total, 8, and 3 over 8. Okay, now we are supposing that she takes a red marble and she's going to take the second marble. So we have again two options for the two colors that we have. Okay, so red and green. The probabilities, if there is no replacement, okay, now red there is one less, 4, and the total is 7 now. Okay, because at first we have taken one red marble. Okay, we are supposing that we take one red marble and we don't put the marble again into the bag. So 4 over 7. For the green marble, if we've taken one red, we have now 3 over 7. Okay, 7 because there is a marble less. For green, we have the two options, the red and the green, and the probabilities now are, okay, if we have taken one green, okay, we have 5 red marbles over 7. And for green, we have one less, no 3, okay, we have 2 over 7. So work out the probability that Lucia takes marbles of different colors. Okay, different colors. Let's see the different colors. Red and green. Okay, so red and green and red. Okay, so 5 over 8 times 3 over 7 and 3 over 8 times 5 over 7. So probability different color. Okay, so 5 over 8 times 3 over 7 plus 3 over 8 times 5 over 7. This is 0.53. Okay, let's continue. Let's clean this. Let's take another problem. The third is similar. We're going to take the fourth. Okay. Read the problem. Okay. So the first event is if the student chooses Spanish or French. Okay. So we have one branch for Spanish, another for French. The probabilities are 90%, 90% for Spanish. Okay. So this is 0.9. For French, 0.1. So now we know that 30% of the students who are learning Spanish are boys, 30%, so we have boys and we have girls, and this is 30%, so 0.3, so the girls are 0.7. And for French, we have boys and we have girls. So we have 40% boys, so 0.6 girls. What is the probability of being a girl? Okay, so being a girl, we have this and we have this. So we have to multiply the probabilities. So probability of being a girl, 0.9 times 0.7 plus 0.1 times 0.6. So this probability is 0.109. Okay, so sorry, 69. Sorry. Let's continue with the problem 5. So read the problem, and here you are the tree diagram. Okay, you have the three options for the first ball. You also have here the first event, the first ball. We take the first ball, so we have white, green, and red, the different probabilities. And when you take one of these three balls, we have to make the second event, the second ball. Take into account that this tree diagram is very long. So if you have or if you are confident with this, you don't need to make this long or big tree diagrams. You can do the probability directly. Okay. Anyway, you can see the second event, the second ball. We have to subtract one ball from the total. For that reason, we have 11. For example, let me put this. If the first ball is white, in the second ball, if we take another white, we have two balls now. Okay. So let's calculate the probability that the balls have the same color. We have we have this option: the white, green with green, and red with red. So we have to multiply the intersection of events and finally add the different options. So 3 over 12 times 2 over 11 plus 4 over 12 times 3 over 11 plus 5 over 12 times 4 over 11. This is equal to 0.286. And finally, I will see this last problem. I've already made the tree diagram, okay, because I am running out of time. This video is long, okay. So the first event is when Elena wakes up, okay, so she can be late or not late. She's late 3 in every 5 days, so 3 over 5. She's not late the other 2 days. When she's late, we have here when she's late, when she wakes up late, she's late at the school 9 over 10. So she's not late 1 over 10. Okay, this is 1 minus 9 over 10, and this is 1 over 10. The same when she's not late. Okay, so we have 3 over 10, and here 1 minus 3 over 10, that is 7 over 10. To calculate the probability, we are seeing if she's on time. So she's on time here and here. So we have to multiply 3 over 5, okay, when she's late, when she wakes up late. And now we have to multiply by 1 over 10 plus when she doesn't wake up late, 2 over 5 times 7 over 10. This is equal to 0.34. So that's everything. Bye bye.